the heat, the sleet trickle from my skin to grow. 'Cause I couldn't be any more dissolved than you left me. The light can't help crawling out for you. I'd elude the dark, you're my counterpart, I need you. You pull me out of the dark into an